Hello, boss and bosses. How you doing? This is AMXRACER Reviews with a review of flying objects that are in Transformers. Mostly going off the birds and bats, which are technically birds, but they're mammals. So they're technically mammals. But the only I just learned something new. They're the only one that is a mammal that can fly. Only mammal that can fly. Check that out. So, without further ado, we have Laserbeak right here. Which came in a 2-pack with one of these guys when you're younger. But also he came by himself in a sideshow sales type idea when they were first introduced. I had one, but mine's gone a long time ago. Then you get Buzzsaw with Soundwave. See, right there. Those are Buzzsaw. At least he did in the 80s. What he comes with now, it's whatever. You get Soundwave, you get with everything. You get this is Laserbeak and Ravage, so he comes with whoever has been wants him to come with now. So and we all know Laserbeak. Or Buzzsaw, sorry, Laserbeak is seen more. Oops. Laserbeak was seen more than Buzzsaw in the cartoon and comic book again I don't know much about. But here's Laserbeak's bio. Okay. Well, I'm skipping and jumping through the book. Next bird we come across is Swoop. He's a pterodactyl. You see his weaponry. Something I don't know weaponry. Actually, his weaponry. He comes with a sword and 2 missiles and the missile carriers, launchers. I haven't had him for a while, so I can't show you him. And that was from the Mark Malemo book, of course. As far as identification, the first guide. And then we have Swoop's bio. And then we have definitely not a bird, but if he was this size, you'd think it was a bird. It's a cicada, but so that's venom. I mean, you think of all the Insecticons as flying insects, but they're not birds. They're insects. So, yeah, I don't know. I think it's that big you can fly, maybe like a bird, but not really. More birds eat than anything. So we'll kind of skip venom. Then we've got Skylynx. Oh, he's a prehistoric bird of some sort. See? This is a made up mythical bird. And his bio is right here. Next we get into Dive Bomb of Predaking. Unfortunately, the book here doesn't do him justice right here because it doesn't show how big he is compared to normal. So the scale is off, but shows always updates. Shows his weaponry and it shows his bio. But I don't have Predaking. I still want Predaking. It's been a long time since I've wanted Predaking. A lot of my life has changed where I can't have Predaking now. Just not the room for him. No. Room. This is the room. This is all it is. So no Predaking yet. Can't store no laundry. It's all clean. You just have to put it away. I'm just lazy. Then we've got Predaking, who There's dive bomb back. So, wouldn't be a bird, but he's made up of a bird. So then we got grotesque, or some sort of double cross. Definitely like a dragon. So yeah, we'll skip that. Another bird. Same thing with grotesque. What was the last one you said? Double cross, grotesque. Bird thing. So there's bio. There's those little wing extensions. Then we get the birds with wingspan, who's a clone with pounce. They come together. I don't know how these are. I have not seen them yet ever in the wild for me to buy them. Yeah, they're on eBay, but I don't buy everything. One day I will, but not yet. Well, G1 complete. Completion is still this book. Maybe. I don't really know. We'll see. There's wingspan. Then we've got cutthroat, who makes up part of a bottomless. He's a silly little reptile, like a little birdie. I have him up top there. Can you see him? I'm charging the phone. See? There he is. And I've got Razorbeak over there. I got Dive Bomb right there. No, she went Dive Bomb, or Dive Bomb, like I said. And then we've got Fine Gray. He's another. I'm sorry, Mind Wipe. Another Decepticon, but he comes with a head and a pistol. And this is bio right here. He's not seen that much, only Rebirth. You got Cindersaur, Sparkstalker, Flame Feather. Guys are stupid toys. Said House on Fire, why don't you? And this one's Squawk Talk. There's an eagle. With Beast Box in the form of that guy. Decepticon. And then we got Double Dealer. He turns into bird. Yeah, when I was thinking of this bird motif, he popped my head first. I used to have him. G1. I had to sell it. I'll get it again one day. But he comes with another one guy Scar. So that's his bio. Then you get hiatus of birds, a bird brain, a wildfly, and wildfly, and monstructor. Yeah, bird brain. And the bird in there is wildfly. My bad. I'm corrected. Monstructor I want to get one day. Monstructor is like my ultimate grail. I've got different layers of grails. And from there we have my last one here. Wing thing with Soundwave. Sorry, I had to read myself. And the Action Masters. And that's where we are. Those are all the mythical bird things in Transformers or in Generation 1. So no, there's a couple of different other ones, but no, I don't have them. I have the ones I showed. So thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and peace. Scouts out, and take care. Okay, I bought some bonuses. There's a little more. I missed Fangray in that discussion, but and he's a Powermaster, I believe. I don't remember. He's in there, but he's another bad guy. So He's he's a target master. I don't remember. Let me check for authenticity. Sorry, let me check for authenticity. Okay, the box of box. This is Fangray. Comes with those items: the rifle, headmaster, and bat shield thing. That's along the bat's idea. So we can consider birds before you know the mammals. All right, that's it. Thank you, and I think that concludes my rap session on birds, Decepticon, and Autobot licenses. Thank you. Have a good night, and Scouts out.